everybody? I'm here today with a simple shoulder checking driving lesson. I'm going to be showing you the right way to shoulder check. Now, a shoulder check is also known as a blind spot check. So I should start off by telling you why we shoulder check or blind spot check. When you shoulder check, you're actually looking at a spot beside your car that your rear view mirror won't show you and your side mirror won't show you. So if I shoulder check to my right side over here, I'm looking beside the car and my rear view mirror won't show me that area and my side mirror won't show me that area. So it is necessary for doing things like changing lanes and pulling over and turning to the right and to the left, doing various turns. Basically, whenever you are switching the direction or the position of your car, it is absolutely necessary to shoulder check. Now, I'm going to show you how to do it. Now, basically, let's say you're driving and I put the camera on the side so you can really see the perspective of being in the blind spot right now. So you're checking your blind spot. That's essentially what you're doing. So if you're driving like this, right, when I want to shoulder check on my right side, I simply turn my head like that, just like that, okay? That's all I need to do. You can see my head is not even on a 90-degree angle. It's sort of on a 45, but my eyes are looking all the way to the side. So I turn my head on a 45 and my eyes look to the side. Now, when I do this, first of all, you're glancing like that. But in my peripheral vision, I can still see the road ahead of me. And that's why it's very important to know how to do it properly. And I can do the same thing to the left. Just like that. I'm looking at basically a 45-degree angle, but my eyes are looking to the left over there. So, and it's just a quick, just like this, just like that. Now, for instance, if I was switching lanes to the right, I would have to check my rear view mirror, my right side mirror, and then my right shoulder check, my right blind spot. So I would go like this: rear view mirror, right side mirror, right blind spot. As you can see, right shoulder check. So from the rear view mirror, I go to my right side mirror, and then to check my blind spot, I just move my head a little bit from that side mirror and I look out over here. And then I sweep back to the front. So just like this: rear, side, blind spot, sweep. Just like that. That is the proper way to do the shoulder check. Now, the wrong way, I see some people doing this, right? That's not a shoulder check. If you go like this, you're going to get into an accident in front of you. You're going to rear-end the person in front of you. You don't need to, number one, you don't need to move your shoulders at all. Number two, you definitely don't need to twist your back. I see some people going like this. Now, if you struggle with your maneuverability of your neck, you can do various exercises and maybe go see a chiropractor to hopefully help you out with your neck movement, because if you start moving your shoulders, well, now all of a sudden you're affecting your steering and the focus is not on your peripheral can't see the road ahead, right? So all you got to do is just like that, okay? Just like that. That is essentially the right way to do a shoulder check. And I've shown you this because I see so many people doing it wrongly. And even though when you go like this, you're really looking at the entire blind spot in depth, you take the focus off of the road ahead and you're gonna veer to the blind spot side. So if I'm looking to the right, because I'm moving my shoulders, my steering is more likely to pull to the right. So I wanted to show you the right way to do it and tell you about the wrong ways that I see people doing it, so that hopefully you can do it properly yourself. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.